Hello friends and family from home. Today I thought it would be a really good idea to do a video that kind of comprises everything that we do and give you guys all of the best tips and tricks to save money on some really good Disney park merchandise and also merchandise over at Universal Studios. But before we get started, if you would subscribe and click that bell notification so you're aware of future uploads and live streams, we would greatly appreciate it. Before we get too far into the video, I also want to just thank everybody seriously from the bottom of my heart. We recently reached over 2,500 subscribers. I don't know exactly how long it's been, but I want to say give or take around 18 months, maybe a little more, maybe a little less. Again, thank you guys so much. To everybody who's been with us since the beginning, we appreciate you guys so much. Definitely stay tuned to the end of this vlog, so we have a really exciting giveaway to announce. So if you guys are new to our channel, we do a lot of videos from like the Disney Character Warehouse, over at Universal Studios, Disney Springs, Disney Parks, a little bit of everything. And I try to do my best to kind of give you guys the best deals and things that you should be looking for to kind of stretch your theme park dollar a little bit in terms of merchandise. So I do want to kind of go over all the tips and tricks, especially after living in Florida now. Like I said, it's probably around 2 years, give or take, and just kind of go over everything, like for your guys' vacation, or even if you live here, just some of the tips and tricks that I have that I can share with you guys. The first thing I do want to talk about is Universal Studios, because we get so many people asking about some really good deals that you can get on like Universal Studios merchandise, like if they have anything comparable to the Disney Character Warehouses. So I don't know if you guys know, but in both parks, studios and over in Islands of Adventure, I'll start over in the studio side first, but when you exit the park, right before you go through the turnstiles on the right hand side, they have a store there. It's called It's a Wrap. And basically there's stuff from like the old Shrek 4D attraction. They'll even kind of just pepper some other things in there. Like I think right now they still have some of the last year's holiday collection with like Earl the Squirrel and things like that. And also, like after HHN is over, some of that merchandise kind of filters through there. So that is a great way. I will say this, like it's not immediately like a discount like you'll get at the Disney Character Warehouse, but I have noticed like as stuff sits, when it sits there, like it does get further discounted as long as it's there. Which brings us to my topic, like Universal Studios has some really great times of the year to come and visit, obviously, with Halloween Horror Nights, Universal Studios Mardi Gras, and then they even have like the holiday celebration with the Macy's parade. And of course, like there's merchandise for all of these events. I know it could be a little bit pricey in the beginning there, but if you guys ever come and visit like after like the events are over, for instance like the tribute store, after the tribute store closes for Christmas or Halloween Horror Nights or just anything, or Mardi Gras, those items actually get clearance pretty heavily right in the beginning. Then they'll start trickling their way over to It's a Wrap, and they kind of keep getting further discounted there. And you can use your annual pass holder discount on top of that, which is really incredible. So definitely, if you guys are thinking about visiting then, perhaps try to visit like in the middle, like right before, say, Halloween Horror Nights is just about over, and then stay a little bit after, because you can get some amazing deals on Halloween Horror Night, again, merchandise, Universal Mardi Gras, and the holiday celebration. And the same is true over in the Islands of Adventure side. If you guys notice, again, before you guys exit the park on the right-hand side over there, they have a store called Port Provisions. It's the same concept of It's a Wrap over in Studios. They're going to get those items. They're going to be pretty discounted. And you'll be able to check some of those out. So definitely check out both stores if you're looking for something in particular, if one has it and the other one doesn't. But that is a great way to kind of save some money on Universal Studios merchandise, is kind of hit hit the parks and these stores on either side there, like right after one of these events officially has ended. Because I'm really excited, like living here in Florida now, you guys know we got Halloween Horror Nights right around the corner. But I know, like, I'm not going to go ahead and just buy stuff like right off the bat. I'm going to kind of wait till the tail end of Halloween Horror Nights and then go in there, because we got some incredible deals there in the past. Just a little tip there for some Universal Studios discounts. And like I was saying, we frequent the Disney Character Warehouse, and the reason I do that is to kind of give you guys the most updated merchandise that they have on both sides of the equation there. There's a Disney Character Warehouse on Vineland, which is actually in very, very close proximity over to Disney Springs. Then they have another Disney Character Warehouse on International Drive. Both of these character warehouses are in outlet malls that are outdoors, but the one on International Drive is actually like super duper close to Universal Studios. They're both about an 8-minute drive, give or take, from Disney Springs to Vineland, or Universal Studios over to International Drive Character Warehouse. It's a great way for you guys, again, to stretch your guys' theme park dollar. And like, again, like as the items sit there, they will get further discounted. Like, they're always getting new merchandise, so that when you go there, like, it's never like stale, and you always see like the same items. Like, sometimes you do see the same items, but there's a lot of brand new items there kind of peppered in. That's why I do the update videos usually twice a week for you guys, because again, like the price of some of the merchandise in these theme parks, obviously, the price is pretty heavy. And like when you have kids and a family, it's just much easier to shop in a place like Disney Character Warehouse. I know we do have like food and wine festival going on now at Epcot. You might want something specific because you're here for that. But like, I guarantee you, for that festival, for instance, those items there are food and wine. It won't be all of them, but they will make their way over to the Disney Character Warehouse after Food and Wine Festival is over. So like, you have to keep those things in mind. Like, because we found from last year's Food and Wine Festival, like spirit jerseys, like shirts. I think they had magic bands at the Character Warehouse. So definitely, like, try to wait. Just try to wait. Go to the Character Warehouses first and see if there's anything like you guys like there first before like spending all the money in the theme park, because you can get 2 t-shirts, maybe in some instances like 3 t-shirts for the price of 1. Like, it's that great of a deal. Another place I really like to visit is Disney Cast Connections and Property Control. Like, one gray area where people usually ask a lot, is it just cast members that can go in there and shop? It is and it isn't. So the first part where it is, you do have to be a cast member to go into Disney Cast Connections. However, you can be with a Disney cast member. So say you guys were going in with your friend that's a cast member. You can actually go in with them even though you're not a cast member. And like, why I like to go there and film, this is very important, because at Cast Connections, I feel like they get the newest clearance merchandise first before it trickles down to the Disney Character Warehouses. So like, I like to go there and film like all of the newest things to kind of give you guys a heads up of exactly what's going to be coming over to both Disney Character Warehouses on Vineland and International Drive. It kind of, again, it gives you guys a heads up, or if you know a cast member, you guys are actually able to go in there with them and do a little bit of shopping. And plus, you can't beat the really awesome Disney resort use furniture they have. They've been having some great things there as well. But that'll be true for like food and wine, flower and garden, like any type of festival, any type of like holiday merchandise. Like, oh my word, like Christmas at Disney World, the holiday merchandises that the Character Warehouses get is crazy. And they have so much Christmas and Halloween merchandise from last year at the Character Warehouses. And like, that's another, for instance, like, check out some of that holiday collection like before you spend all that big money in the park for like the newest stuff, or like afterwards, like after the holiday's over, definitely check out the Character Warehouses for like all of the newest like Halloween or Christmas merchandise, because I guarantee you it's going to go there. And that is such a great way, again, to, you can, in some instances, like, you can buy one item in the park, or you can go to the Character Warehouse and maybe get 2 or 3 of that same item literally like a month after, say, Christmas or Halloween has ended. Like, the savings is that incredible, and you can buy so much more, like, versus that one item just like a sporadic purchase in the park. So the next place I do want to kind of touch upon, and it's not like Disney park merchandise, but it is Disney merchandise, and also some Universal Studios merchandise. Like, they have a really good selection. So we have a Walmart maybe like 5-10 minutes down the road from us on Highway 27 here in Clermont, and the amount of Disney and Universal Studios items is absolutely just incredible. Like, they even have like Harry Potter spirit jerseys, Disney spirit jerseys, like yoga pants that are Disney related. The list kind of just goes on with autograph books, ink pens, pins, keychains, lanyards, like jammies. They have everything. And again, like the selection, like they always have every single size, everything is always in stock, and they have some really unique items that, like I said, because they're not Disney park related, they have some really amazing items there that you're kind of not going to really see anywhere else. Like, the t-shirts there are really, really cool, and they have like a bunch of Universal Studios items, again, like you're not going to see over at Universal Studios because they're actually at Walmart, which is kind of mind-blowing because you can save quite a bit of money in there, and they have some really nice looking stuff. So definitely check out Walmart's, and there's actually a Walmart that is very close proximity to Walt Disney World on 192 in Kissimmee that it's very, very busy there, I will say that. But again, like the selection of Disney parks and Universal Studios items there is very expansive. You wouldn't believe the size. Like, if you've never been there before, like us coming from Pennsylvania and seeing like this whole huge display there for Universal Studios and Disney is absolutely mind-blowing. And like, did you guys know you could actually purchase Walt Disney World park tickets at Walmart? Like, isn't that nuts? At Walmart. Park tickets. So I do want to get on to the giveaway portion of this video. Again, I cannot thank each and every one of you guys enough. Like, you stood up with us there since the beginning. 2,500 subscribers. It's not something, quite honestly, I ever thought we would reach. I didn't. I just really didn't. It's absolutely incredible. I'm trying to do the newest content for you guys, trying to put up daily vlogs now, really putting in a really good effort to, again, just bring you guys the most recent Disney related, Universal Studios related content. Like, I love what I'm doing. This is my little way of giving back of everything that you guys have given to us. And just say thank you. Again, just thank you guys so much. I'm going to show you some of the items that we're going to be giving away here to one lucky winner, though. Before I show you guys the items that you're actually going to win, I do want to tell you what you're going to actually have to do to win these items. For number one, make sure that you are subscribed, obviously, to our YouTube channel. And comment down below what is your favorite vlog that we did, or a vlog that you would like us to do in the future, because it's very important to know, obviously, like what it is you guys want us to film exactly, because we might be doing something y'all don't like so much. So definitely let us know what your favorite vlog that we have ever done, or a place that you would like us to go film, because I would just love to know. So your chance to enter, I think we're gonna kind of let this drag on a tiny bit. So I'm gonna close the entries on August 31st. So your last chance to enter this giveaway will be August 31st. And I do want to show you guys, again, the items that you will win. And again, it's gonna be one lucky winner. It'll be picked at random and posted in a video shortly thereafter, August 31st. But our first item right here is this Mickey water bottle. Here's what the top of it looks like. But look at Mickey there, cooking up some delicious food. And again, some of these items are items that we actually purchased at the Disney Character Warehouse for like future giveaways. So this is item number one that one lucky winner will win. Then number two, check out this Stitch hat. It is so soft. And look at Stitch's face right there. I love this hat. Very, very cool, especially with the little hands here. So we're gonna put this in on the giveaway. Another item right here. I know these are actually hot commodity right now, magic bands. For whatever reason, there's like a shortage of magic bands, but this one here is from Pandora over in the Animal Kingdom, the Flight of Passage Expedition. I do want to kind of give you guys a closer look at that. This is a limited edition magic band, I believe yep, this one's limited to 5,000. So this will be part of the giveaway as well. And I thought like this book right here would be lots of fun to give away. It's Walt Disney World Hacks 350 plus park secrets. So we're going to give this away as well as those other 3 items to one lucky winner. Again, thank you guys so much, like, to everybody who watches our channel. Like, we can't thank you guys enough. We appreciate you all. If you'd like to further support the channel and keep the vlogs coming, consider checking out our Patreon page. I'll put a link to that in the description box of this video. We're offering 2 different tiers if you want to check that out. But if you like today's video, give it a big thumbs up. And as always, make today awesome.